Hi everyone, today we are going to be dealing with Malasana to a pistol squat variation, right? So extend your right leg in front and lift your hips up. Slowly sit back down, make sure your heels are on the floor. So this pistol squat is obviously a difficult drill and a tough variation. So what you're going to do is you're going to break this down into easier variations so that you can practice the easier variations and slowly be able to do the pistol squat. Swipe left for the next easier variation. Alright, so the first drill that we're going to do in the Malasana to pistol squat is the extensions. Alright, so lift your left leg up, engage your core, extend it out and bring it back in. Extend it out and bring it back in. If you're finding this a little too difficult, you can place your foot on the floor and drag it along the floor. Right? Extend your foot and bring it back in. Let me show you from the side. Extend your foot and bring it back in. Make sure your heels are placed on the floor. Extend your foot and bring it back in. You could also use a sock to make it a little bit more easier. Right, for the last drill, we are going to take this from the top. Alright, so come into the standing position and squat a little bit into a nice half squat position, and from here extend your hands in front. Now from here lift your left leg up, one, and extend your right leg up. So what this is going to do, it's going to activate your quads, at the same time engage your core. Slowly build your strength here and you will easily be able to do the pistol squat.